Introducing the Force Gauge Tamper, designed for a consistent espresso experience with effortless operation. Available in 54 or 58 millimeter sizes. Crafted from stainless steel and walnut timber, this elegant tool blends durability with style. To use, place it over your portafilter after preparing the coffee bed with the distribution duo or other manual espresso machine. The self-leveling feature ensures even tamping. As you press down, a spring-loaded mechanism provides a consistent pressure between 7 and 10 kilograms, essential for a perfectly tamped puck, which is the key for a balanced shot. You can adjust the pressure using the marked indicators. The precisely engineered central shaft, made from high-quality stainless steel, ensures accurate pressure application directly to the coffee grounds. The Force Gauge Tamper's consistent pressure, self-leveling, and spring-loaded design ensure a perfect tamp every time, making it essential for your espresso setup. The Craft Collection by Breville.